Hey everybody, James coming here wanting to give you guys my unboxing and review of the Fire TV Cube from Amazon and let you guys know whether I believe it's kind of worth getting or not. And if you guys want to go ahead and skip over to the review, I'll put the timestamp in the description below just so you guys can skip ahead to that part of the video if that's what you guys want to see. Now, as you can see, I'm doing a quick unboxing. I'm taking everything out. The first thing we're going to review here is going to be the Fire TV Cube itself. On the front, as you can see, there's the Amazon logo. Right there, and on the back end you can see all the ports. So you see pretty much the HDMI port, the IR receiver port, and the port all the way on the left that is going to be for the Ethernet cable, and all the way on the right you can't really see it because the packaging is blocking it, but that's also for the power cord as well. Now here we have the newest updated mic for the Fire TV Cube. Right here, as you can see, it has the mic button, so if you don't want to use the voice activation, you can use the remote. Also has a power button, so you can turn on and off the TV manually like you would with any other remote, volume rockers, and all the other buttons you normally see in a regular Fire TV remote as well. Now the remote does take two AAA batteries that they will give you here in the packaging as well. The IR receiver is right here, so you just plug in the back and you're good to go. Now the IR receiver is optional, so you don't have to plug it in if you don't want to. Now here's the power cable. It is a 15-watt power cable. The thing I like about this, it has a very long cable with it, so you can put it anywhere you want on your entertainment system around your TV, which I think is really nice. Now here's the Ethernet adapter for your Fire TV Cube. So if you really don't have great Wi-Fi at all and need a little bit of an extra boost so you can be able to stream your favorite videos, just plug this in the back, plug an Ethernet cable into your router, and you should be good to go. Alright, so to give you guys my personal opinion about the Fire TV Cube, I think it's a great product, but if you're going to get it and you already own an Echo product, don't get it thinking it's going to be a complete replacement for your Echo device. One feature that you cannot do with the Fire TV Cube that you can do with the other Echo products is basically make calls. And I like doing that every now and then, like using drop-in or basically asking to call my dad or my wife. All right, now one thing the Fire TV Cube does do that is similar but also different at the same time as the other Echo products is it does play music, but it plays music through your television. Now that's all well and fine during the day and whatnot like that, but if you want to listen to music or a podcast or anything like that though, and it's during the middle of the night, you're gonna have this bright TV in your face, and it's fine, I guess. But I mean, someone like myself though who likes just having a lamp on and it's dark, not having this bright TV, especially if I'm getting ready for bed. It's kind of inconvenient though, and it makes no sense to me as well though, because when I ask Echo The Daily Show and it plays like something that happened on The Daily Show with Trevor Noah that day, it plays it through the Fire TV Cube speaker. So it's not like the Fire TV Cube is incapable of actually playing audio through the speakers that is built into the Fire TV Cube. Is that for some reason or another it will turn on your TV when you want to listen to music or a podcast or anything, it will turn on your TV and play everything through there, which is kind of weird that it will play some audio through the speakers built into the Cube, and it'll play other audio, a majority of audio, through the TV speakers. I don't know if that's something that they'll change later on down the line with an update, or if that's just something. It's just a minor gripe in my personal opinion, but it does not fully replace the Echo Dot and the original Echo, and all the other variations of the Echo products they have out there. But my personal opinion on it, like I said in the beginning, is definitely worth getting, especially if you like adding little smart features. It's definitely been super convenient. Basically turn on and off my console, turn off the TV, higher or lower the volume, especially if I'm busy doing something else, or if I even just can't find the remote. Be able to completely control my TV and all of its features through my voice has been very convenient. And the cool thing is too, you're actually able to use those TV functionalities on other Echo devices as well. I've been in a completely different room, asked my Echo to turn on my TV and my Xbox while and then that way, so it's turning on while I'm walking into the room. Everything's already set and good to go. I don't need to wait for like the loading screen. Everything is good. And the cool thing is too, you can actually even go, in my personal case, I use Echo. I don't use Alexa. I use the phrase Echo. I could go Echo open YouTube on Xbox, and it will turn on the console and go straight to YouTube on the Xbox. Anyway, that's my personal opinion. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys currently own a Fire TV Cube? And if you guys do, what do you guys think about it? Do you guys think it is a great product, completely replaces your Echo device? Do you guys think it's a good companion piece, like how I kind of personally believe? Or do you guys think it's a completely crap product and you shouldn't even get it? And if you are thinking about a Fire TV Cube, what is it about the Fire TV Cube that really draws you to wanting to get it? Anyway, I'd love to know what you guys think in the comment section below. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Echo, turn on TV. Echo, turn on Xbox. Echo, switch to Xbox.
Okay.
Echo, open Hello Neighbor on Xbox.
Getting Hello Neighbor from Xbox.
Echo, open YouTube on Xbox. Echo, turn volume down by 3. Echo, go home. Echo, turn off Xbox. Echo, turn off TV.